In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to create your timer on Centric. Go ahead and log into your Centric account. Once you're in, navigate to the Timers section. It's pretty straightforward. Look for the option to select Create New and click on that. Next up, you'll want to choose the type of timer that best fits your needs. If you're looking to set up an automated email flow, like an abandoned cart reminder, you should choose the perpetual timer. This type of timer resets or starts specifically for the individual recipient when they open the email, giving them a personalized experience. On the other hand, if you're planning a fixed promotional campaign, say a Cyber Monday sale, then go for the standard timer. This type has a shared end date and time zone, making it ideal for a coordinated marketing push. Once you've chosen your timer type, it's time to configure and design it. Set the deadline or countdown window that works for your campaign and give your timer a name that stands out. This is also where you can fully customize its appearance. Think about your branding and how you want it to look. You can adjust colors, sizes, fonts, and even backgrounds. This will make sure that the timer fits right in with the rest of your email layout. After you've designed your timer and are happy with it, the next step is to copy the snippet. Save your timer settings, and you'll see a generated HTML snippet provided by Centric. Go ahead and copy that snippet. You'll need it for the next step. Now let's move on to embedding the timer into Klaviyo. Open your email template inside Klaviyo where you want to add the countdown timer. Drag a text block into your layout. Once you have that in place, click on the source code button. It looks like this. When you do that, you can go ahead and erase any default text that's there. Now simply paste the HTML snippet that you copied from Centric earlier. Almost there. Once you've pasted the snippet, hit the Done button. This action allows you to see the live real-time countdown function inside your layout. It's really that simple. And here's a little extra tip. Should you want to make any future design edits to your timer, you can manage those changes directly in Centric without needing to update the Klaviyo snippet again. This means you can keep your campaigns fresh and appealing without a lot of extra work. And that's a wrap. You've now successfully added a countdown timer into your Klaviyo email. This feature not only creates urgency, but can also encourage quick action from your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.